It's rabbit season! Sorry, I had to do that joke. Hey everyone, it's Joe from Ainslie Bullion, ainslieBullion.com.au. It's release day of the 2023 Perth Mint Lunar Year of the Rabbit Gold, Silver and Platinum coins. So they are available for pre-order from today onwards. First come, first served. This is pre-order, so they are not in the store to collect, etc. right now. We're expecting delivery into the Brisbane and Melbourne stores, possibly from the Perth Mint around about late October onwards, just depending on which particular coin you're buying, whether it's gold, silver or platinum, and depending on the sizes. In terms of the sizes, we have almost all sizes available for pre-order. I'll put a link below to all the individual product pages. I'll put that in the info section of the YouTube page and as part of the pinned comment below the video when you see it. But the 5 kilo silver, the 1 kilo silver, and the 1/20th ounce gold are not yet available for pre-order from the Perth Mint, from anyone. So they're not available for order just yet, but all the other sizes will be. So what else you need to know is with the platinum in particular, we're limiting it to 2 per person. They are very rare and will sell out quickly, so we are limiting them to 2 per person. You can buy as many as you want of the silver, buy as many as you want as the gold. Of course, they are limited in their mintage, so as first come, first served. As soon as they're not on the website anymore, you won't be able to buy them. So good idea to get in quickly. What else do you need to know? I've mentioned dates where they'll be deliverable from the Perth Mint to us, so from late October roughly onwards, depending on the type of metal. Got all the products there listed below in the info section of the YouTube page, part of the pinned comment. That's pretty much it, all you need to know. And you lastly need to hit the big red subscribe button here on our YouTube channel, youtube.com/Ainslie Bullion. Why? Our wide range of informational videos 5 days a week, our weekly Wednesday specials. You really want to stick around for those every single week. Of course, our very informative videos, topic-based macroeconomic stuff. So it really pays to be subscribed to the channel. Nearly 2,000 subscribers right now. We're just absolutely doing really well. So join us, won't you? So that's it. The Perth Mint Year of the Rabbit is released. You've got all the details, you know what to do, and as always at the end here, thanks for choosing Ainslie.